What's up, guys? Welcome back. And today is different. Standing right here in front of me is something I genuinely did not expect Toyota to pull off. This is the all-new 2027 Toyota HiAce IMPERIALE. And I'll be honest, the moment they slid that door open, my jaw literally dropped. We are not talking about a van anymore. This thing is a statement. Let's get into it. Up front, look at this face. Toyota threw out the old boxy HiAce DNA completely. You've got this aggressive wide mouth grille, full width LED daytime running lights that glow like a predator's eyes, and a carbon fiber front splitter that sits millimeters off the ground. Walk around the back and it just keeps delivering. Full width LED tail lights with a sequential blink, a diffuser that looks straight off a supercar, and these massive multi-spoke forged wheels, I'm talking 22-inch in gloss black, and that Imperial badge on the tailgate, backlit, chrome, absolutely clean. Man, Toyota really said, we're done playing. Okay, slide that door open and just look. Two captain chairs in full grain ivory leather, diamond quilted with the Imperial logo stitched in gold thread, starlight headliner up top, actual fiber optics, not stickers. Walnut wood trim runs the whole cabin. Between the seats, a center console with a 10-inch OLED display, cup holders with LED halos and wireless charging. Under the hood, Toyota has fitted a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel paired with a 10-speed automatic. Smooth, quiet, effortless. Air suspension is adjustable from the driver's seat. You can raise it for loading, drop it for that slammed show stance. Now the big question, what does it cost and when can you actually get one? Toyota hasn't officially dropped numbers, but based on the spec sheet and where the competition sits, I'm predicting this lands somewhere between 1.8 to 2.4 billion rupiah for the Indonesian market. Global launch is expected third quarter 2027, with Indonesia getting allocations in fourth quarter. And trust me, slots will go fast.